Hello friends, I am Nikita from Next School. Here I am in front of you presenting this creative fruit look which I am submitting as my entry for Next Face Award India 2018. First, I really want to thanks to Next Cosmetics for this great opportunity. If you like this look, so please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your family, friends and loved ones. If you want to recreate the look, let's jump into the video girl. First of all, I'm applying white petroleum jelly on my hairline because to get this look we need latex. So white petroleum jelly will give my skin an extra protective layer. Then a little bit apply on my cheeks. I'm not rubbing or spreading it, just spreading it. Then I'm applying it on my eyebrows and don't forget to apply it on your lashes. Please do all this very gently, very carefully. Now I am applying primer where I'll be not using latex. First warm it up, then apply it gently. It's a matte primer. Some I'm using on my face, just tapping it. Now it's the time to become Groot. I'm using tape and of course need the scissors to cut it. I'm using tape to hide my ears because as you all know Groot has invisible ears. Whoa, look at the difference. Since Groot has invisible nose also, so I'm applying latex with the help of sponge, then covering it up with the cotton. Now for giving it a firm look, I'm applying tape on the cotton very gently. Now we are ready for the paint with no ears and nose. Now I am covering my eyebrows with the cotton and latex. Do it very carefully, light-handed and very gently. Now I am applying latex all over my face with the help of brush and sponge. Now some detailing with the cotton and latex. Now the time for handcrafted fruit crown which I made using cardboard, paper napkin and lots of glue. I am applying brown cream color on my face, crown and upper body with the help of mini beauty blender. For giving more depth to the look, I am using this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. Shade I am using Sunset Yellow. Now I am drawing random black lines on my upper body for giving it a tree-like look. Now some more detailing. I am using NYX Cosmetics White Liner. It's an awesome product. I am drawing 3 lines between the black ones which is required for a tree-like texture. I am applying it all over my face, crown and upper body. Now with the help of Mini Beauty Blender, I am applying green cream color at random place. For more detailing, I am applying light green color also. For setting it up, I am using NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, applying dark green color shadow to set, and for shading I am using light green eyeshadow. Now I am using this Dreamcatcher palette and applying this black eyeshadow for shading black lines. It will give more depth to the look. Now some more detailing with black and white liner for completion of the look. And at the end I am using flower petals and adhesive to complete the look. So yeah guys, this is my final look. Hope you all enjoying it. Thank you for watching. See you all in my another video. Till then, take care.